Joe. Good morning again. I just finished unboxing that oil dipstick. But I got a catch can here, so I'm gonna unbox this too while I'm at it. So let me just place you guys down and unbox it. It is a eBay catch can. So this black birch one, I need the black birch one because it was had 4 holes. By the way, this is to make your car read better. I'm gonna see if I can get this installed today. If I do, I'll just record myself going to the spot because I have to take my valve cover, the one that I basically painted blue. I'm gonna have to get that cut and welded with the 2 holes on top of the oil cap. Okay, it comes with the lines, comes with the bracket. Let me check this out for you guys. Alright. Oh wow, this catch can is pretty big too. I like it. It's black. Alright. So then I'll mount this to the shell. The filter goes up here. And then let me open the kit too. Just to show you what it comes with. I'm always trying to make my videos as fast as possible. It does come with the alright, 90 degree, 45 degree, and 10, and another, I believe, 90 degree. And then these are the lines. Let me cut this open for you guys real right quick. I believe the lines are hard, so I won't be able to stab through them. Wow, it's really nice, the filter. This is nice. Yeah, hell yeah. I feel like I got my money worth. Yeah, wow. But yeah, hold on, look at this too, I forgot. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna see if I could add the video for me getting this installed or getting it taken to the guy. If not, I'll just add the video. I'll add another video after this where the valve cover is already installed with the 2 holes on top and the catch can connected. Or nah, yeah. Either or. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Peace. See you. Don't wanna be a peace. Joe. I'm about to show y'all this catch can. It's cold as hell out here. So my homeboy Chi already installed it. So let me just show you what it look like. Look pretty dope though. I'm supposed to be tuning Monday. I gotta drop the car off at 12:30. I don't have a set time. My birthday's the next day. I'm not gonna want to tune on my birthday. That's just something I don't want to do. I don't want to tune on my birthday because then I wind up spending my day being over there and not being able to do anything. But other than that, let me show you how it came out. Alright. So I basically got it the aluminum bongs weld onto the valve cover, and then I got the video of the catch can unboxing. So it came with the adapters and the lines, and then we just put the catch can over here with the filter. I took the valve cover off. I messed up the paint because I got trigger happy with the spray paint. So you can see the 2-tone color here. So originally supposed to be this color, but then I covered this with a tape, and then I started going crazy with the spray paint when I was only supposed to spray paint this back here. And then one of these bolts, the Skunk 2 bolts, what's it called, the low profile thing's cracked. My carbon fiber thing got lost in the mail, so I contacted the guy from eBay and he's sending me another one. But other than that, I'm supposed to be tuning Tuesday. Today is the 9th. So yeah, I have 2 days. Tomorrow Sunday, Monday. So when Monday comes, I'm gonna see if I can drop it off. If they could tune in Monday, okay. If they can't tune in Monday, I'm just gonna grab my car and just wait for, because I'm about to go on vacation. So I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna see if I can record my trip. I'm only supposed to be going for like 3-4 days. Because yeah, I'm not trying to spend too much time out there. But yeah, other than that, I'll just record my trip as well if y'all interested into that. See what I do. So see ya. Don't want to be at peace. Have a good day. Adios.